Hello everyone, I'm Adam, your EHS Manager. Today we'll learn how 5S transforms workplaces into safer, cleaner, and more productive environments. Every accident, delay, and quality issue starts somewhere. Often, it starts with poor workplace organization. 5S is a workplace organization system developed in Japan that improves safety, quality, efficiency, and morale. The 5 pillars are sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Without 5S, workplaces become cluttered, unsafe, and inefficient. Employees waste time searching for tools, materials, and information. Poor housekeeping causes slips, trips, falls, and material handling accidents. Disorganization increases product damage and customer complaints. Small delays throughout the day add up to significant productivity losses. 5S improves safety, quality, delivery, cost, and employee morale. The first S is sort. Remove what is unnecessary. Ask yourself, do we really need this item? Use red tags for items that are damaged, obsolete, or rarely used. Sorting creates space and reduces hazards. Clear pathways improve emergency response. Everything should have a place, and everything should be in its place. Shadow boards help employees quickly identify missing tools. Visual controls improve navigation and reduce confusion. Label everything for easy identification. Reduced searching means increased productivity. Shine means cleaning while inspecting. Cleaning often reveals hidden defects. A clean machine is easier to inspect and maintain. Clean workplaces reduce accidents and equipment failures. Now we standardize best practices. Checklists ensure consistency. Visual controls make standards easy to follow. Everyone must understand the standards. Consistency improves quality and safety. Sustain is the most important and most difficult step. 5S must become a habit, not a project.